voice for the planet. I was walking my dog this morning and I saw a license plate that said, "Got ice?" That's an interesting question, because if we humans don't radically and rapidly change how we show up on planet Earth, there will be so little ice left for my grandchildren and great-grandchildren that life on our planet will be utterly unrecognizable. With our glaciers gone, we can expect unheard of superstorms, runaway global warming, and most of our big cities will be underwater. In fact, current predictions are that the Arctic will be ice-free by 2030, something that hasn't happened for at least 4,000 years. You might ask, why is that a problem? Well, the impacts of dwindling ice cover in the Arctic are far-reaching, from species loss to enhanced global warming to the shutdown of the global ocean circulation. Arctic sea ice has been melting at breakneck speeds in the past few decades, driven by warmer air temperatures, warmer ocean temperatures, and new extreme weather patterns, all of which are caused or accelerated by man-made climate change. In fact, the Arctic is warming twice as fast as the rest of the planet, with an estimated 14-degree Fahrenheit increase by the end of this century. Have you heard of the albedo effect? Albedo is the reflectivity of the sun's rays, and therefore warmth, of a surface back out into space. Ice reflects 9/10 of the sun's rays, while the ocean, which is basically black, reflects only 1/10 of the sun's rays. So as ice continues to melt, there is an escalating feedback loop that accelerates the melting, resulting in even more warming of the entire Earth. Sea ice is important in marine ecosystems. It provides a habitat for algae, invertebrates, and fish. It also provides breeding and hunting grounds for marine mammals, birds, whales, seals, and polar bears. There are several major consequences of disappearing sea ice. The habitats for algae, invertebrates, and fish are destroyed. Cold water temperature regulation will be forever altered. Many marine mammals, birds, and seals will no longer have a place to thrive. Scientists estimate that retreating sea ice will result in the loss of 2 out of every 3 polar bears. So what can we really do? Look, this is one key aspect of a very large problem. In fact, it's so big that we need to look at the problem of sea ice melting as part of the overall situation that faces us all. From a personal perspective, remember the 4 R's: reduce, reuse, recycle, and rethink about your impact on this beautiful planet that we call home. Talk about this stuff with everybody. Open up the conversation. Even more importantly, demand clean and green energy technology with your vote and with your dollars. Get active with organizations that are already making a difference, like Greenpeace and 350.org. Remember, you have the power to invoke change. To learn more and become more engaged in this awakening from a global perspective, go to avoicefortheplanet.earth and share this video. And thank you for watching.